The AI Instructional Design Workshop covers quite a few things, right? We talk about the overall value of AI and we go through the latest researches in this, but then we talk about just advanced prompting techniques. How can you make AI give you the best possible outcome, right? Because using AI is one thing and making good use of AI is another thing. Then we talk about just the whole ATD life cycle and how AI supports. We go through so many different use cases because everybody does a different kind of work. So instructional design is an umbrella term in our industry, right? In every organization, an ID does something different than the other ID. So we talk about a number of different use cases and how you can leverage AI in your workflow. We talk about how you can create things like AI coaches actually, as well, how you can bring them to the learner. So AI role plays, AI coaches, and how does that look like? How does that support the learners? We talk about the various tools that are available today in the market and how to make good sense of them. And then we do a pretty good job of bringing ethics into this as well, security in that as well, because it's absolutely important before you start leveraging AI to say, am I doing this safely, right? So we talk about that.